So, in today's video, I'll show you how to measure or check VO2 Max on your Galaxy Watch, be it 6, 7, 8 or the Ultra. I'm using the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic for the demonstration. One thing to note is that Galaxy Watches can only show VO2 Max reading for GPS-enabled walking and running activities, and that too with some conditions. But first, let me show you where you can find VO2 Max on your Galaxy Watch. So, I'm opening Samsung Health and I'll select workouts this week. I did a 15-minute running activity this morning, and if I open the activity stats and scroll down, here you can see it shows my VO2 max level as 45.4, which is fair. Once you get your VO2 max readings, you can also check them directly from the Samsung Health app on your smartphone. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the Galaxy Watch will only show VO2 max for GPS-enabled running and walking activities with some conditions. So let me show you what those conditions are. Here I'm opening another demo activity I recorded yesterday. And if I scroll down to the VO2 Max section, it shows that to get VO2 Max reading on your Galaxy Watch, you need to walk or run at a steady pace of at least 4 km per hour for 10 minutes with a good GPS signal. If your pace is slower or if the activity duration is less than 10 minutes, you won't get the VO2 Max data. And that's all for this one. If you found this video informative, then hit the like button and subscribe to Wearholic for more wearable videos. Thanks for watching.